Flash+Basics+4 Photo and Flash. So I'm just going to start with the new one again. And again, I'm going to start off, and I think I'm just going to leave this one white if I remember correctly according to the tutorials. Okay, this is 4, so we click on the tutorials and we're going to follow it. So we're going to create an animated mouse. Go to first one, follow the instructions. Okay, it says you leave it at white. Click here, add a text, call it animated mask. Make sure it's a static text and make it as big as you can get it to fit on there. Okay, I can do that. I know how to do text now, very easy. You know what? I think I want to put my name in there instead of animated mask. Box style. Okay. Now, next, what's what we do? Make sure that it's as large as you can get it to fit in there. Okay. We can do that. Now, why can I not see my text? Well, because my text color is white. Highlight it all. Pick a different color. I'm partial to hot pink, so I'm going to use hot pink. Use that to free transform it and get it really big right here in the middle. Okay, that works for me. Okay, I've done that much. It says next, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle slightly bigger than the stage, and click the fill of the rectangle, highlight rectangle fill, and select the fill color to gray. Okay, we can do that. Rectangle tool, slightly bigger than the stage. The fill color actually needs to not be the same color, so we want it to be like the gray. Come on. And why did it not do that? Should have. There it goes. Select it and turn it to gray. Now it's gray. Slightly bigger, and it's gray. This is next. Create a circle symbol. So in the timeline below the background, so we're going to do a background and a mask. And the timeline, lock the background layer. Okay. So this one, background. And let's double check we weren't supposed to insert a layer before we did that little box. Background, correct. Select static tool, doesn't say to insert one, so now we're going to add layer and we're going to call it mask. Okay. So right click, insert layer. This one will be mask. We want to lock our background layer so it doesn't get messed with. Okay, next. Select the oval tool, stroke, outline, delete the stroke by clicking C, select the circle. Okay, convert to symbol. So, alright. So essentially we're going to draw a circle on the stage. So we're going to come over here and find that. How do we get a circle? Highlight this down and go find your oval tool. Just that simple. Let's do this funky pink. And no stroke. Should make it easier to do in a second, but there we go. So there's our fill with no stroke around it. It's just the fill. And that's fine. It's big enough for me right there. That'll work. Modify, convert to simple. Name the circle, circle, and make the behavior a graphic. Okay. Modify, convert to symbol, graphic. I'm just going to call it circle. Circle mask. Okay, I can do that. Next, it goes animate. So in the line panel is closed, window line, we got that. Now line vertical, come over here at the beginning. We're going to insert a keyframe in the mask. Then we're going to create a motion tween. And we're going to do essentially the same thing that we did before, but we're just going to do it with the circle. So we haven't done anything to the background. Notice, see the background's still the same. We're just going to insert a keyframe and do the motion on the mask layer. Let's come over here to like 70, insert keyframe. We're going to highlight it all, make sure it's all highlighted. Come on. Insert, classic tween, which we have, correct. On frame 1, we'll have the circle start here. On frame 2, circle over here. Okay, now what does it want us to do? Test your control, so test it, control enter. Yes, my circle goes across the stage like it's supposed to. Okay, good. What am I supposed to do next? Close the text window, unlock the background, go to the same layer that we have it on, and go to insert timeline frame on that particular layer. So let's go see what happens when we do that. Go right here, unlock it, insert timeline frame. Okay, I've done what it told me to do. right click on mask and do what? And then timeline, right click on the label mask and change it to mask. Okay. Right click, mask. We can do that, right? See, literally, I'm just following the instructions and we're going through it. Okay, let's test it. And here you go. Now, what you could do is to make it more interesting, because it's kind of boring if you ask me. I like to do things a little more fun. I might move this, come on, mask. I would like to move it up. Okay, well, fine. Maybe I'll just create another mask, insert another layer, and repeat that process. Come here in the first one and draw on me another circle and put it in, make it more fun. But that's all you do is a mask to show your name. That's it. Ta-da! Real hard, right? File, save as. This one would be Basics4, correct? And then you also want to publish it. So remember, we go to Publish Settings. We're not going with Flash HTML. We'll just stick to the regular GIF, an animated one of that. I'm going to browse. Yes, make sure it's going to where I want it to go, the correct folder. I'm going to call it Basics4 and publish. Okay, congratulations. You just completed Lesson 4. You should be able to complete 3 and 4 in one day's time.